Hi to all. Today we are going to make prawns red thai curry in Hamari style. For that we need to take onions, green chili, tomato, capsicum, potato, mushroom, and we have taken Thai red curry paste which is available in all supermarket, and coconut milk, palm sugar, and some fresh prawns. Add some salt in this prawns and mix it well. Now we are going to toss these prawns in oil for 2 to 3 minutes or until it changes the color. We can see our prawns has changed the color nicely, so take them out. Now let us make our red thai curry. For that, take oil in a pan. Once the oil heated, add our red curry paste in oil and fry for 2 to 3 minutes until it leaves the oil. So our curry paste is nicely fried. Now add coconut milk, mix it well. Now add some water to make a gravy. So our gravy nicely boiled. Now add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Then add 1 or 2 spoons of palm sugar. Let it boil. Then add potatoes, green chili, onions, capsicum, tomato, and mushroom. Mix it well. Once the curry boiled, now add fried prawns. Cover with a lid. Let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now our red thai curry is ready. It looks so awesome. We can have this curry with a rice. So do try and let us know your feedback. Thank you.